I've never loved him more than when he walks toward me with a plate of food. Alright, so Anthony's like the greatest coffee connoisseur of all time. And I tried to try out his skills to the max by asking him to make me a pink latte. Starbucks, you got owned. Alright, so we're on our way to the airport. I'm looking fresh like Donald Trump with my orange tan. And I have a little bit of travel anxiety. I'm not scared of planes or anything, but I just don't like leaving home. I have like severe homesickness. So the day before I travel, I just get really anxious about it and I feel like nauseous until I actually get there and start doing things. But like it has nothing to do with like flying. It's just like I don't want to leave my dogs. I don't want to leave my mother. And my mother's not even gonna come into the airport. She's just dropping me off. And I just don't know how to deal. I literally travel all the time and I always get travel anxiety. Mom, how do you feel about leaving your daughter at the kiss and ride at the airport and not walking her through the security?
I'm not gonna see you. You're gonna get there right when you have to check in.
I'm gonna be so lonely.
How
old is your adult?
Look at this room. This is sick.
Wow.
Got a little desk there in case I'm doing some work. Little coffee station. Let's check out this view. Wow. Pretty fly. Look at this bathtub. What the hell? Oh my god, there's a telephone. Answer it.
Hello?
Dinosaurs live in Dubai. And Iron Man. And Spider-Man. This is where they've been hiding.
You want to keep going?
He saw a giant bucket of Nutella, so he had to stop. Oh my god. Yes. Like, what is this?
I want the Venezuelan chocolate.
I want everything. I need a new agenda, so why not buy one from Dubai, right? They have Bando, my favorite agenda company, and oh my god, look how cute. We don't have Bloomingdale's in Canada, at least I don't think so, I've never been to one, but like, this shit is legit. Like, they have the cutest stuff. Like, look at these bowls. This is totes me. Look at this swell wall. Like every swell you could possibly imagine. And he's amazed by this knife. He has like a small obsession with knives. Like even when we go to restaurants, he's like, look at this knife. This knife is so cool. Okay, so we got hungry, so we basically ordered food from the Dubai version of Freshie. Thanks, manservant. I've never loved him more than when he walks toward me with a plate of food.
I think this one's yours.
Well, be certain, because I'm a vegetarian, okay? I don't want to eat meat. No, that one's definitely yours, but these look frickin' dang.
Okay, it's yours.
This is an avocado hummus wrap. He got a shawarma wrap. Okay, so this is the ground level, but I guess it's the second floor, and like, oh my god. Oh, Louis Vuitton is opening in the fall. Versace. I love the art installments. Like just thousands of butterflies up there. Oh look, all these expensive stores. Let's just walk by them because we're poor. Look at the alpacas. I mean, that picture right there. Look at it. But first, coffee. If you didn't think this mall was extra enough, there's a dinosaur skeleton in the middle of the souk. These are roses that last forever. And if dinosaur bones weren't extra enough, here's a waterfall.
I'm so tired, I don't want to go the walk around. Oh, we got an IHOP here too.
And if a waterfall wasn't extra enough, here's an ice rink. What the actual shit? Alright, so this is the world's largest, highest resolution TV screen. Okay?
Just to play ads.
Bruh, there's Tim Hortons in Dubai. What? What? Yo, these police cars are nicer than my life.